The stock market punishes ignorance but rewards patience, understanding, and structure. Most people buy stocks because a friend mentioned it, someone recommended it, or the price is going up. Now, that is not investing. That is reacting. You know, you could lose all or part of your money in the stock market, right? So then why invest in the stock market blindly? If you cannot explain what a company is about in one sentence, you have no business investing in that company. So before buying any stocks, ask yourself these three questions, right? First of all, do I need this money in the next 3 to 5 weeks, months, or years? Because any money you're supposed to be investing in the stock market, it has to be a money that you do not need, like, at all. You don't need for now, right? Now, secondly, can you handle volatility? Then thirdly, do you even understand how the stock market works? Because stocks don't make people rich. Staying invested does. And to stay invested, you need understanding and not excitement. The biggest lie people believe about the stock market is that if you pick the right stock, you are going to make money. But that's not true, because two people can pick the right stock. One makes money and the other panics and sells. The problem is not the stock. The problem is the investor. I know that I've said a lot of things without saying anything. So let's digress. If you cannot follow these steps, don't buy stocks. If you cannot follow these steps, don't buy stocks. Number one, are you really ready, or you are just assuming? Yes, because there's a difference. Now, how do you know that you are ready? First of all, ask yourself, this money you want to invest, can you set this money aside for the next 3 to 5 years? If you cannot, you should not be investing. Then secondly, do you understand your risk level? Some people don't. Do you understand your risk level? Do you understand your emotions? It's not when, because stock market will always go up, and it's not when there is volatility now in the market, you will start panicking. Works. Do you understand diversification? Do you understand dividends? Do you understand consistency? And do you understand risk? Now, the last but not the least, the third reason, of course, do you know how to analyze a company? Because if you cannot explain what a business does in one sentence, you have no business buying that company. My name is Amarachi Jennifer, and I'm your finance best friend. I make investing simple. If you are not following me, you are investing wrongly.